Here are some ways to wear a blazer. 1. Casual. Pair your blazer with a simple t-shirt and jeans for a casual yet sophisticated look. 2. Dressy. Wear your blazer over a dress or a skirt and blouse for a dressy occasion. 3. Workwear. Wear your blazer with dress pants or a skirt and blouse for a professional look. 4. Layered. Layer your blazer over a sweater or cardigan for added warmth and texture. 5. Off-duty. Wear your blazer with leggings and sneakers for a trendy off-duty look. 6. Velvet. Cinch your blazer at the waist with a belt for a more fitted and polished look. 7. Print mixing. Pair your blazer with a printed top or scarf for a fun and fashionable look. Remember that the possibilities are endless, and you can create many unique and chic outfits with one blazer.